it's the joy that heals. Community united, here we all stand.